Hi guys and welcome. If you're looking for a new way to earn money and create new opportunities, AI image is the answer. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the world of artificial intelligence and show you how to leverage AI images to create new revenue streams and achieve your own financial success. So stay tuned not to miss any important information.
Have you heard of Glowup AI? It's this fantastic new service that allows you to get professional quality dating apps, LinkedIn, and professional headshot photos all from the comfort of your home. And get this, it's the first AI-powered photo shoot service. One of the most incredible things about Glowup AI is that it offers 30+ lifestyle prompt templates. These prompts are designed to help you capture the perfect shot for your specific needs. For example, if you want to upgrade your LinkedIn profile, you can choose a prompt tailored explicitly to professional headshots. If you want to upgrade your dating app profile, some prompts are designed to make you look your best and stand out. And if you're looking to create a cohesive social media aesthetic, some prompts will help you do just that. But what if you prefer to avoid any of the prompts or want to create your own custom photo shoot? No problem. Glowup AI allows you to create your photo shoot by choosing your background, props, and poses. And with over 200+ image generations for first-time users, the possibilities are endless. Now you might be wondering how Glowup AI can create such professional quality photos from the comfort of your own home. Well, the secret lies in their advanced algorithms. Glowup AI uses artificial intelligence to analyze your photos and make precise adjustments to enhance your natural features. This means you don't need special equipment or expertise to get amazing photos. All you need is your smartphone or camera and a few minutes to upload your photos. And if you're worried about your privacy, you'll be happy to know that Glowup AI takes your security seriously. All uploaded photos are deleted within 24 hours, so you don't have to worry about your images being stored indefinitely. And Glowup AI does not sell your data to third parties, so you can trust that your information is safe. So whether you're looking to upgrade your dating app profiles, enhance your career prospects with professional headshots for LinkedIn, or just create a cohesive social media aesthetic, Glowup AI is the perfect solution. With their AI-powered photo shoots, you can get professional quality photos from the comfort of your home. And with so many templates and customization options, you will indeed find the perfect shot to elevate your online presence to new heights. In conclusion, Glowup AI is an innovative and fun way to upgrade your online presence. It's perfect for anyone who wants to look their best on dating apps, social media, or in their professional life. And with their AI-powered technology, you can get professional quality photos without leaving your house. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Glowup AI today and start your Glow Up journey. Have you heard about TextGPT? It's an excellent texting app that gives you access to OpenAI's GPT and DALL-E 2 through text messaging. It's like having a super smart AI friend that you can ask anything and it will provide quick and accurate answers. And it's not just for Q&A. You can generate realistic images with just a few words. Imagine asking for a surreal image of a dog park carnival and getting it in no time. Cool, right? The free trial is for 15,000 tokens. After that, you can purchase more tokens as needed. The minimum purchase is 150,000 tokens, which is approximately 600,000 characters of English text. Each token is around 4 characters or 0.75 words in English, and the cost of the text messaging service is also deducted from your token balance at 800 tokens per exchange. One thing to note is that TextGPT doesn't store any of your questions or answers, so you don't have to worry about your privacy. Now let's talk about how it works. It's super easy. Open your text messaging app and text your question to the provided number. The AI will use its natural language processing capabilities to understand your token and provide a comprehensive and accurate response in no time. You can ask TextGPT anything you want, whether it's a complex question or something simple. One thing that sets TextGPT apart from other Q&A apps is its ability to generate realistic images from text prompts using the DALL-E 2 API. All you have to do is send a message with a paintbrush emoji followed by a description of the image you want to see. For example, if you're going to see a surrealist image of a dog park carnival, just type surrealist painting of a dog park carnival and hit send. You'll receive an image matching your description in just a few moments. It's like having your artist on call. But TextGPT is more than just a fun app for generating images. Its advanced natural language processing capabilities also make it a powerful tool for expanding your knowledge and understanding of the world. Whether you're curious about history, science, or anything in between, TextGPT can answer your questions quickly and accurately. To start with TextGPT, you only need a smartphone and an internet connection. Simply download the app and follow the easy setup instructions. Once you're up and running, you can start asking questions and generating images immediately. The cost to generate an image from text is 1,900 tokens, so be mindful of your token balance. But don't worry, you can always purchase more tokens as needed. And remember, your questions and answers are only saved in your text messages, so your privacy is guaranteed. So what are you waiting for? Give TextGPT a try and see how it can expand your knowledge and understanding of the world while having some fun along the way. Have you heard about Pictodream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is Pictodream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind Pictodream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with Pictodream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about Pictodream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try Pictodream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. Have you heard about AI Profile Pictard? It's such an excellent tool that lets you create stunning profile images with the help of AI. This online platform takes your stock photos and turns them into a work of art with just a few clicks. To create your avatar, you must upload from 15 to 20 photos of yourself or the subject you want to use. Then you can edit and crop the images to your liking using the online photo editor. After that, you get to choose from over 70 available art styles, each with its unique look and feel. The options are endless, from the Joker to Greek gods, from cartoon characters to stroke drawings, and from fantasy to cyberpunk. Once you've made your selections, you'll receive an email in about 2 hours with your perfect avatar. The AI technology used by Pcard is top-notch, and the AI-based quality control systems ensure that every photo created goes through a thorough quality check process. This means you can expect unparalleled photo quality and stunning visuals every time. Regarding payment, Pcard accepts major credit cards and PayPal, and an invoice for the total amount will be sent to your email after payment. Plus, for privacy reasons, all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Of course, refunds are not possible, but customer satisfaction is guaranteed. And if you're a tech-savvy individual, the trend model can even be imported into any Stable Diffusion UI and referenced with the keywords SKS plus type in the prompts. Okay, let me add more details to make it more exciting and informative. Picard's AI technology is designed to create up to 200 high-resolution and high-quality profile images. The platform supports PNG, JPG, and HEIC file formats so that you can use the photos for your online profiles and other purposes like printing, wallpapers, and more. One of the best things about Pcard is the variety of art styles available. Whether looking for a classic, elegant look or something more playful and quirky, you're sure to find a style that suits your personality. And with over 70 styles to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Another great feature of Pcard is the quick turnaround time. Within 2 hours of making your selections, you'll receive an email with your perfect avatar, so you can start using it immediately and no more waiting for days or weeks to create your profile image. And if you're worried about privacy, you can rest easy knowing that all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Pcard values the privacy of its customers, and this is just one way they ensure that your personal information is protected. So why wait? If you're looking for a fun and creative way to showcase your personality online, head to AI Profile Pcard today. Whether you're a professional, student, artist, or just someone looking for a fun new way to express yourself, this tool has everything you need to create a truly unique and unforgettable profile image. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to stand out on social media or wherever you use your profile image, give AI Profile Pic.art a try. Your friends will be amazed at the transformation. Have you heard about DrawAnyoneAI? This fantastic AI-based tool allows you to create custom portraits of anyone you want in any way you can imagine. It uses a combination of 5 to 10 photos of the person to create a unique AI portrait customized to your specifications. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can even customize your AI portraits with all sorts of fun cues. For example, you can have Jesus riding a unicorn walking on a rainbow in the jungle, or portrait with isolated colors with sharp dark comic outlines. The tool is all about giving you the freedom to let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. DrawAnyoneAI also has a community page where you can see portraits that other users have created and shared. It's cool to see all the different styles and techniques people come up with. You can even create AI portraits of your pets. How awesome is that? The portraits created with DrawAnyoneAI are just breathtaking. They come in various styles and techniques, such as digital portraits, pop art paintings, and even oil on canvas. And the resulting AI portraits are highly detailed, with vivid colors and intricate details that will make your jaw drop. Some of the portraits created by DrawAnyoneAI are just incredible. For example, there's a colorful portrait by KAWS, airbrushed on canvas in pastel colors and cel shading, 8K Pixar style. Or how about a portrait of a mythical folks demon with ornate and intricate facial features, a flowing and smoky design, symmetrical and sharp focus and bright colors. This portrait was created using Unreal Engine and Octane Render with elements of anime art and non-Nodoroid figures by the Good Smile Company. There are also portraits of toy figures with intricate detail, atmospheric lighting, bokeh and photographic realism in 4K. And if you're in the mood for something a little more fantastical, there's a portrait of an ugly monster with spikes on his body, purple skin, and gold armor against a battlefield backdrop. Artists create these portraits like Greg Rutkowski, Dan Mumford, Art Gurm, and Peter Morbacher with great detail, sharp focus, and alien elements. If you're an art lover, you'll appreciate the portraits featured on popular art platforms like ArtStation and DeviantArt. There are garbage portraits, hyper-realistic paintings of attractive men, pictures of genies with Islamic tattoos, a handsome man in a leather harness, and even a highly detailed, retrofuturistic cyborg infographic from Popular Mechanics magazine. And that's not all. There are portraits of origami paper sculptures, a highly detailed and ultra-realistic illusion of Saint Sebastian's martyrdom, a realistic image with fangs and long hair, a statue of a necromancer with a cyberphone, a two-color trippy conceptual illustration of 1960s LSD, a portrait of a Victorian-era master, and even a tourist visiting lizard man cultists. Last but not least, there's a neon light sign in the shape of a gorgeous woman with a detailed face, hyper-realistic and studio quality. This tool truly has something for everyone, and I can't wait to see what you can create with DrawAnyoneAI.